Like here. Today, quick video to show you how to install a door in your shed. In this case, it's a sauna we built. You want to see videos how we did it? We do have it, so check out the link below on my channel. But anyway, we're doing a custom door jamb for this door that we picked up on Craigslist. This is a steel, it's all glass for the sauna, which is going to be really cool. Solid wood. We're not using a standard door jamb kit because this is not indoors, and it's a rough finish design, so we don't need all that, fancy finish. We're gonna make it out of 2x4s. So I'm gonna frame out the rough opening first, and then we're gonna do 2x4s on each side where the door will actually mount on. It's gonna be two 2x4s on each side as well as the top, so it has the strength to hold it. And we have to relocate also the hinges. They're on the other side here because we want the door opening from this side out. So we're going to relocate the hinges. We already took them off the other way, and we'll get started and show you guys how it goes. Yeah. So to get these side beams in, we have to trim this up a little here. We got that done. Actually, no, we don't. All right, now that's done. We're gonna pop these in, and then we can do our 2x4 door jamb for our door. So stay tuned. So here's our custom door jamb kit. 3 2x4s, that's all you need. We went half an inch higher than the door, and then we did 3/4 of an inch wider to accommodate for any spacing and adjustments, but it should actually fit perfectly because everything's actually level and straight. But we're gonna have the trim on the inside for the door to go against, so even if there's too much space, it will go against that. And then we have a little rubber stuff here for sealing. And then the bottom, we're gonna add a strip. So we're gonna build a surround for this now out of 2x4s, and then that will go in it, and then the door. So we'll show you guys that next. So here's the progress. We measured out, and we're going to be able to fill this space with the 2 2x4s, then the jamb kit, and on the side these 3/4 inch beams will fill it up perfectly. And then we should be able to fit 4 2x4s up top, which is going to go flush with the top of the jamb kit. We got the hinges installed. That's all we did. Nothing fancy. None of this will be visible. It's going to look great on the outside. And the way I measured to make sure that everything is even, all we did is laid it flat over here. And when it's flat, it gives you a straight line here. And then we just screwed it in. And that's it. Now we're going to throw in the jamb kit on, level out the door, and we'll see. All right, guys, so this is what we're talking about. Nice flush fit. We're not even going to be doing any finish in plywood. Roman's probably just going to hit it with some black paint, and it's going to match the sauna perfectly. I mounted this side of the door jamb kit only, as that's where the door is going to mount to. We're going to mount the door now to this, and then we're going to level this out and this side here to see exactly where the adjustments need to be. Once we know where it is, we'll tighten this up, we'll fill up this space, and that's it. We're going to get the door on. It's heavy as heck, so we can't show you how we do it, but we're going to put it on here, and we'll go from there. The way we test fit it is we placed a tile, which is a little less than half an inch on the floor here, or a piece of wood, whatever. We laid the door, we measured out where the hinges go, then we removed the door, we set it on a base right here. We had a cinder block right here, and we put a couple simple screws, just one each, just to see if it holds and it's even. And as you guys can see, we got a perfect fit. We're gonna bolt it all up now, finish the top, and then we can do the lock. Oh yeah, and then we'll do the trim edging in here where the door is gonna close against, which is pretty simple. So all you do is close the door, and just mark the line, and then put our trim. Guys, we got the lock installed. one problem is this is a repurposed door we found, so we need to install a bottom lock. So what we're actually gonna do is we're gonna find a matching lock that you can actually lock this up. So, you know, when Roman's not home over here, he doesn't want somebody sneaking into his sauna, you know? This is a prized possession. Anyway, the lock was very simple. Since this is an outdoors project, we just chiseled out a little hole. We measured out, you know, where the hole in the door is, marked it, pushed the door against it, and where the lock locks, we marked it and just installed this metal plate. The trim, everything snug, nice, solid feel. Locks, perfect. That's it, guys. Hope this is helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, thumbs up, and come back for more.
And then the view from inside.
What